Situation 5. How to handle a reservation amendment over the phone. The hotel has rooms cheaper than the ones guests want to book. Good morning. Thank you for calling the Happy Kite Hotel. This is Susan from the reservations department. How may I help you?
Hello. I had a reservation at your hotel a few days ago. And now, I would like to change it to a different date, please.
May I have your name and your reservation code, please?
My name is Cameron Harmon, and my reservation code is A9099.
Thank you. Wait a moment, please. I need to check the information about your original reservation.
Okay.
Well, Mr. Cameron Harmon, you have booked 3 suite rooms at the rate of $300 per night from April 5th to April 16th. You will pay for the rooms, the other guests will pay for the rest. Is that right?
That's correct.
How would you like to change, sir?
I'd like to change the arrival date to April 15th and the departure date to April 25th.
Yes, sir, from April 15th to April 25th. Please wait a moment. I will check the room's availability for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for waiting. I am sorry, we have only 2 suite rooms at the rate of $300 per night on April 15th. On April 6th, we will have enough suite rooms for you until the end of your group's stay here.
What a pity.
However, beside the suite rooms, we have the deluxe rooms at a rate of $200 per night, including breakfast on those days. The deluxe room is a very good one. It includes most of the facilities of a suite room, just a little smaller and with a street view instead of a lake view like the suite one.
That sounds nice.
Could your group stay in 2 suite rooms and 1 deluxe room for the first night, and from the second night on, your group will stay in 3 suite rooms as you require?
That's okay, thank you.
Would you like to change any more information?
No, thanks.
Mr. Cameron, you have changed the arrival date to April 15th and the departure day to April 25th. On the first day, your group will stay in 2 suite rooms and 1 deluxe room. From April 16th, your group will stay in 3 suite rooms. Other information will not change. When necessary, we can contact you by phone at 907-826-3317 or by email at cameronharmon@gmail.com. Is that right?
Correct.
Your reservation amendment code is AM39999. We will send you a confirmation email right now. Please check and confirm it, then send it to us as soon as possible.
Okay.
How may I help you more, Mr. Cameron?
Oh, that's enough for now. Thank you.
Thank you for informing our hotel about the change. We are looking forward to welcoming you to our hotel soon. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.